Now we have a resistance line here. The chart goes up and it will bounce down, up again, down, up again. This resistance line is a place where we can open position sell here. When it reach the resistance line, it will go down. That's when we're going to sell. Okay. Now let's see. So we're not going to do this yet because this chart is not going up again. We're going to look for another market. Okay, now we have a breakout from the resistance lines. As you can see, this is a bearish pattern, and with this breakout, I think it's going to reverse. It's going to making a bullish pattern. Okay, let's just see how it goes. Still going up, I think. Okay, I'm going to change this to 3 minutes and up. Okay, let's see what's going on. Okay, I think we can use this. We're going to draw the horizontal line. Let me do this and no, move this first. What? Oh, come on. Here, see the chart is it's this is going up, down, and it's going up again, right? Until it reaches the resistance line. So this support line is okay. Yeah, it still has a long way to the resistance level. It means that it will still go up. So I'm going to put this up. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think we're going to lose this one. As I told you before that it's reversing, it's going up. But the problem is I put the position but not on the right time. See, if I change the trend line, it should be going up like this. This is the reverse. This is the reverse chart. Now it's going bullish. Okay, I lost that one. It's okay. Okay, now for this, we are going to move this resistance line right to here. Okay, like this. Okay, now we wait until this close. Let's see if I can make the profit. Okay, here comes the other one. Okay, I made a mistake on this previous open position, but this chart is going to hit the resistance. Sorry, the support below. So I'm going to open buy position. Okay, okay, there you go. see if yeah, I think that's going to be, yeah, it will go up, man. It will go up. Yeah, I think we're going to lose that one over there. Okay, that's okay. We are now three positions, zero profit and two losses. Yeah, that's okay. We'll see how it goes. Okay, this doesn't look too good. I think I'm going to lose that one as well. Hmm. I know. I mean that the chart is going down, and at some point it will reverse and go up. Okay, I just mistaken two times about when it will go up. So I'm going to do something different. I'm not going to recommend this to you, no, and I'm not going to explain it to you. But this is something I have to do to save my money, of course. Okay, please bear with me. Now, little bit more. Please come down. Okay, right there. Okay, I just opened five position up by for 1 minute, and I'm quite sure that it will save my money. It will all profit. Okay, that one I lost, but all five of these will profit. Okay, this is looking good actually. Yeah, just as I expected. And yep, all right. Egg position, five profit and three losses. Okay, let's get going. Now look at that. That is the same pattern like before. So I'm going to take advantage of it. Okay, not yet. Wait. Okay. So this is going to be this is going up. So I open the same like before. 1 minute, but I just open, but I only open two. Okay, not five, because this is a little bit. It might be different than before. This doesn't look too good. Okay, it keeps going down. Maybe this is different, but maybe if I could see, I see a chance here. Okay, okay, there you go. Now this time, I'm sure it will go up. I'm sure it will. See, the candle movement is different, so it's going up. Yup, come on. Yup. I'm a little bit nervous right now, but I'm sure it will go up. Mm. Okay. No, 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 no. Okay. Oh, okay. Yes. Okay. Almost have a heart attack. Now, as you can see that my capital is right now 188. That means I made $38 profit, or equal to 25.3%. So that's 15 open position, 10 profit, and 5 losses. Okay, that's it for today. I'll be seeing you on my next videos. Bye.